How to log into a Snapchat account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about logging into your Snapchat account via Snapchat application. So now let's get started. But before that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar in the top and then simply type in Snapchat and search for it. Go ahead and install this Snapchat application, and if you already have it installed and you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. And after that, simply go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. You'll be taken to the login portal where you need to enter your correct username or the email that is associated with your account. And you can also use your phone number instead of your username or email if you do not remember them. Then go ahead and enter your password in the second box that is below the username or email. Check this box if you want to save your login info on your device so that the login process next time becomes easier. You can also tap on forgot your password, which is highlighted in blue color, and reset your password if you have forgotten it. Then tap on login, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and log into your Snapchat account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.